All right, hello guys, welcome again to another video. So this is Alphonse. Today guys, I just wanted to show you something about this box. And yeah, maybe you are curious what is my setup about, when I am taking photos of my cars. Yeah, so today's model guys, I am just going to highlight this, okay, the Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. All right, so this is we're going to use today, okay, as a model. All right, so back to the box guys. Okay, what do you think is this? Right, well, this is a storage box. Okay, so actually this is my DIY project when I'd like to do a photo shoot, something like that, and I just wanted to have a small space. All right, well, I use this as a photo booth. All right, so this is actually a foldable box. I bought this in Daiso. Yeah, Daiso Japan. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so you can fold this, all right, and it will become this shape. Yeah, this size, very small actually, because I was trying to look a booth like on the internet, but it's very expensive. It's about like 20 or let's say $15 to $20. Yeah, with LED light. Well, that's a plus actually, but since I bought this from Daiso, I just got this for $1.90. all right, so of course there's nothing inside, but I cut out some black paper as a background. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, something like that. So in addition guys, I put some magnet. Maybe you are wondering what is this magnet all about. Okay, well, of course, since I don't have an LED light inside, yeah, so I bought also like an LED light in Daiso as well. Unfortunately, I broke this because I think it fell off. Yeah, so, and I put some magnet here, which is also I bought in Daiso. So I put the magnet outside, and then it will stick like this. All right, so two position, this side, in the middle. Yeah, I'm also planning to put some one here. Unfortunately, I bought like 4 magnets. However, the 4th one, it fell off and I don't know where it went. All right, well, okay, so at least I still have 3 magnets that I use. So this is what inside. Okay, so maybe you're wondering, okay, why this is really nice. Okay, well, it's an adjustable light. Okay, so this is first, okay, dim and the brightest. Okay, so not bad actually. There's some like AA battery inside, like 3 battery, AAA, yeah, batteries inside. So when you put it up like this, all right, so it will give some light. Okay, like so. Yep. All right, so that is the background. Okay, so lay flat. All right. Okay, why it's not that flat? Okay, well, so that's what it looks like. Okay, so if any case that I don't know what happened, but of course with my friendly glue tag I can always put something here. Maybe this is too much, but yep, you see the idea, right? Okay, so just lay flat there. Alright, so there you go. Alright, so where is our model? Okay, of course the Cadillac. Alright, so you can take photos like this. Yeah, right, maybe some focus. Yeah. Alright, so that is the idea, guys. Alright, so I just wanted to share this idea. This is a DIY photo booth. Alright, just for your, you know, idea. Alright, how much is the diameter? I forgot. Okay, hold on. So I have alright, a ruler. Okay, so the width, guys, is, how about inches? Right, probably 10 inches. Yeah, 10. Right, and the height is about right, probably 7. Yeah. Okay, so that is the dimension of this, and the depth, well, about 9.5. Yeah, the depth. Alright, so let's open this up and let's use this as a model. Alright, guys, so let's open this. Okay, well, by the way, I already opened it actually. I bought this like 2 years ago, but I don't have any video of it, so I'm doing it now. I bought this in Malaysia, actually, Toy R Us Malaysia. I forgot the street where I got it, but it's a city center, yeah, in Kuala Lumpur. So I am so excited actually to buy this at the time. Well, Malaysia is a great place to collect guys, actually. And now actually this is available in Aeon Mall, Cambodia. Alright, so here, what a nice ride, right? Okay. I remember the car of Elvis Presley. Yeah, I saw in the movie. But yeah, this is really nice car, right? The Cadillac. Alright, like Ghostbusters too. Yeah, this is Ghostbuster. I mean the front actually. Yeah, and yeah, see that, how cool is that, right? Yeah, and of course we will going to make this some photos with I think this is a low rider. Yeah, I just imagine it will go something like this, right? Down, yeah, lower. So I think that's really nice. And of course if you pop up like this, right? Okay, something like this, imagine that. Well, actually I do have a photo of this, yeah, a long time ago, that I make this car look something like this. Yeah, and I will going to show it to you guys. Alright, well, so that's it for tonight, guys. And if you like this setup, yeah, please leave us a thumbs up, guys. Like the video, and please, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you will always updated every time I posted a video. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you again, and have a great day. Bye.